Namaskar, good morning, Ram Ram. This is a video about a sun in all 12 houses. The crux of the video is what is purpose of my life and where my fame is. Because these are the two general questions which I encountered in the consultations. Sir, what is purpose of my life? Where my fame is, in which field I will get the fame. So where your sun is, check in your chart. In spite of the, in which sign it is, who is aspecting, who is conjuncting, leave it. You just go through the sun in all 12 houses. So let's start with the Aries ascendant. Before this, a small information that transparent and ethical consultation. I believe in this thing that the biggest crime if you do in this world is that is a cheating someone. And and that is where this ethical and transparent consultation starts. I will not charge any amount before consultation. It will be only after consultation that you will go for the fees, and no urgent fees is there. Same price for your urgency, because your urgency is my urgency, and sattvic remedies is always there. So let's start with the purpose of your life and sun in first house. So I will go step by step. First, I will tell you what sun will do if you have sun in your first house. So see, sun is the planet which you can see the king of the all planet, and when sun is placed in the first house, it gives a strong personality because sun is a leader, sun is a king. So these person can be like a kingly person. The leaderships qualities are always there in these persons. Natural confidence is so high that when they present themselves in somebody's some meeting or some any place, they just have this natural confidence in themselves. And a leader, they are the born leaders, and the commanding presence just make people notice them. And the person likes to be in control. They are the not who can work under someone. They can be a natural leaders, natural business persons, because they don't want to work under someone. And they want recognition for what they are. Because if sun in the first house, then where is your fame? Your fame is in the lagna only, that you can be the hero, you can be the person who can be noticed everywhere due to your own personality. So if you are in the good touch, if you are in the good mood, if you develop yourself as a leader, then definitely on your face value, people will rely on you. And here is your fame. So relationships can feel challenging because you see if sun is here in the first house, then aspect is on the seventh house. And that is why, because the native expects respect and may appear dominating to the partners. Sun in the first house, aspecting seventh house. Now this person want respect from the partner. He want to dominate the life partner or business partners. So that is why relationship is always a challenge for these people. Ego is the thing which can break the marriage, which can break the partnership. Health is generally strong because sun is immunity, vitality, but the issues related to the head, eyes, heart, or blood pressure can appear. If ego stress increases, that is also due to sun. And for some people, if sun is in the first house, then very early age they can lose hair. And money comes through, I told you only, when you develop yourself. Self effort is the key when money will come, and the authority or the leadership roles are always best for the you. Name and fame are very much possible because sun shines directly on the self, making the person visible and the intellectual in society. So name and fame, now we need to see the sign of the sun, that is okay, but name and fame you will always get. So first house, name and fame. The key is in your hand, that how you will get the name and fame, and the purpose of your life. The purpose of the life is five houses away from sun. The purpose of your life is education. Five houses away from sun is the fifth house. So education is the purpose of your life. Startup is the purpose of your life. Kids can be the purpose of your life. Romantic relationships can be purpose of your life. And the mantra siddhi for many people because of the fifth house can be the purpose of your life. And the fifth house is also creativity. So creativity is also a purpose of your life. So the five places away from the sun is your purpose of life. So sun is in the first house. This can be the results for you. And what I told you for the remedy thing, if you think that, you are telling sun is here, what I can do, just control your nerves, control your ego while you behave with your partner, life partner, or business partners, or the customer. That is the key for you, because if you control the energy of sun at this place, then there is no such problem. So wish you best of luck. Now let's move to the Taurus ascendant. Before I move, I want to give you a small information that is Astro Dialogue, which I already told you that, so many people ask for the podcast of Astro Dialogue. We are just, shortlisting that what kind of dialogue we can start first. So this, if you are a subscriber and you want to talk something about the astrology or the life lessons, you can join us here. And astrology classes starting from the 16th, from the 4th of April, and 16 astrology classes plus one practice session. Thank you very much. Now let's move on to the Taurus ascendant people, or not Taurus ascendant. As I do the predictions daily, so the Aries after Taurus, that's why I spoke this, but this is not a Taurus. Any chart you have, any ascendant, any moon sign, if sun is there in your second house, then what it should be like that, sun in second house is a good. Yes, this is a good position. The focus of life turns toward what? A wealth. Sun is a natural Atma Karka. Now, where is your Atma? Where is your purpose of life? I will tell you. But now, where is your Atma, your soul, your focus? That is in the second house. Wealth, family, values, accumulations, savings. The person speaks with authority because second house is a speech. Now, this person, whenever will speak with authority. There is an ego tone. There is an authoritative tone. Either is speaking to some, younger person, elder person, or with bosses, or with family. This person always have an authoritative tone in the speech, and often has a powerful or impactful voice also. They can be, I think, very good voiceover artist. Pride in the family status and the lineage is strong. Now, they are the people who are from the renowned family, who are from the well-known family, or the family is a very famous because of the sun in the second house. Now, wherever sun will come, it will bring you fame for you. Now, let's move to other points. So, sometime your speech will be egoistic, or sometime maybe your whole family is very egoistic, or very, a family with a big name fame, family with a big self-respect, because this is a house of family. So whenever sun will come to the second house in the natal chart, the financial stability improves through the leadership roles. Now this is a finances, from where finances will come from, through your leadership roles, through government work, or the profession involving the speech, profession involving the food. Relationship within the family may experience ego clashes. This is true, especially with elders. Health concerns can relate to the teeth, throat, face, and the eyes issues. Especially if sun is afflicted here, then definitely something regarding the right eye of the male and the left eye of the female can be the matter of concern. Name and fame come through the wealth, family, reputation, or the powerful communication skill. So what I am saying here, that for the name fame, maybe your family is also very reputed and you took birth in that family, and you are also a person with name and fame. You can get name and fame in the business of the food, in the business of the wealth management, in the banking side. You can have a very good name fame, and you have a very good name fame in the field of family business also. So sun is here, maybe your speech is like this. People know by your speech only, that big boss type speech. And the sun is here in the second house, tell you that you can earn money from the all the karak tattvas of the sun, especially from the government. Very strong indication here. And from the fifth house from the sun. Now what is your purpose of life? Wherever your sun is 5 places away from that, that is a sixth house, and the purpose of your life is discipline. Purpose of your life is routine. Purpose of your life is seva, service. Purpose of your life is service towards society. And whenever we have a sixth house in activation, there are so many wrong things in the sixth house. There is a loans, there is a health issues, there is a litigations, there is a dispute, there is challenges. But there are beautiful things like discipline, routine, and the seva, service. So purpose of your life is service, health, routine, discipline. If you have this combination, you can check in your chart. I wish you best of luck, and Let's move on to the Gemini sign. Before I move to the Gemini, the 4th of April is the date when we are starting the astrology classes. This will be the Zoom recording, and you will get the Zoom recording also, and live classes will be there. You can ask me questions there as well, and if you miss the class, you will get the recording as well. So now let's move on to the next. If you have this combination, please tell me. Sun in the 3rd house, this is a good combination for Sun, because the malefic planets like Sun, Mars, Rahu, and especially, Ketu not very good here, but Sun is good here. And what Sun will do? Now Sun is a mild malefic planet, so mild malefic planet like Sun, if will come here, now what that Sun will do? Sun in the 3rd house makes a person brave, because this is a house of courage, this is a house of bravery. So this person will be brave enough, this person will be very confident while he is communicating, this person is very confident while he is writing. This is a self-made person, this is a person who is a self-made person. The native believes in the personal effort and does not like depending on others. Now this is a person who don't want to say someone, can you help me please? No, these words are not made for them. They are the self-dependent persons, they are the self-made persons, and communication skills are very strong. The only problem what I see, the Sun in the 3rd house, sometimes they are very egoistic in their communication. Sometimes they are very, their communications look like this, that they are just talking in an authoritative way. Their communications include this authoritative tone, but very strong communication, and person may shine. Now you ask me that what is my name and fame area? The person can shine in the field of writing, this is a house of writing. Person can shine in the field of media, marketing, sales, public speaking. Now this is also house of, franchisee business, commission business. So you can rise here very well in these businesses as well. In the field of communication, in the field of short journeys, maybe you open some website, like tour and travels website like Go Bibo or Make My Trip, and you can do very good in that. Even in the social media, this is a house of social media, this is a house of gadgets. You can shine very good in these fields, get good name, fame. And relationship with the younger siblings, maybe sometime not very good because of the authoritative tone. They can always think that this person always try to dominate us, especially with neighbors also. You can speak like this. Sometimes you are, involved in the competitions with the younger siblings, and dominance issues are always here. Health issues, if you feel somewhere in the life, then that can be, if Sun is afflicted and there is some bad conjunction, that the shoulders related issue, arms related issue, or the lungs related issues can be the, matter of concern for you. And especially the nervous system issues, if there is overexertion, because this is a house of courage, sometimes you put so many efforts. And the money comes through the skills, courage, and independent work. Name and fame, I already told you that gradually you will get name and fame in the field of networking, social media, whatever you do regarding the 3rd house. Now what about the purpose of the life? What is your purpose of life? 5 places away from the Sun. You count from the 3rd house. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that is the 7th house. Now the purpose of your life is very harmonious relationship you need to maintain with a wife or the business partner. Purpose of your life is to learn how to work in a partnerships. Purpose of your life should be to do business. Because no, what purpose of life you always get? If you failed in the last janma, in the past life, for the some reasons, then God give you the purpose of life. Now you go and achieve it again because you failed that exam. So the purpose of your life is to understand the meaning of partnership, to go through that partnerships and sustain in the partnership. And maybe the purpose of your life is again to do the business, because 7th house is a business also. So harmonious relationship in partnerships, maybe life partner or business partner, or maybe a good relationship with the customer and the business, doing business is your purpose of life. So thank you very much, and let's move now to the 4th house. I have this combination. Sun in the fourth house. Before this, astrology classes started from the 4th of April, 16 astrology classes plus one practice session. And the Astro Dialogues, what I want to request you, if you want to discuss something about the astrology or some other life lessons, let's come to me on the podcast, and we will discuss and put on air. And these are the my simple rules: transparent and ethical consultation, no prepayment, payment always after consultation, and no urgent fees. Your urgency is my urgency, and sattvic remedies I will go through. And the one thing I again repeat, ethicalness in life is very important, because what is unethical? Only the thing when you cheat someone, that is unethical. Now for the people who have a sun in the fourth house, as I told you that I have this combination in my chart as well. So the sun in fourth house is very tricky condition, because if you have a sun in the fourth house, then maybe you are the person who took birth midnight, like 1 a.m., 2 a.m., like this. So sun is not a digbali at this place. Maybe a sun in the first house is a digbali, but sun in this house is not digbali, have no directional strength. So how sun will behave? When the sun sits in the fourth house, it brings authority within the home. Now this person is leader within the home. He wants every person in the family listen to him, and he wants to lead. He wants to say that whatever I am doing is right, you just follow the things. Authority within the home and a strong attachment to one's inner identity. See, fourth house is a peace of mind also, and inner identity. So you want that inner identity, and the person wants respect at home and may feel emotionally proud but internally restless. Whenever we called about this, malefic and benefic planets, we always take sun in the mild malefic category. So if sun, planet like sun, which is a mild malefic, is there in the fourth house, which is a very soft house, which is a peace of mind, then you can be internally restless. This is for sure. Family life can feel controlling or ego driven. The relationships with mother or a domestic peace may feel strained at the time. Health issues may involve the heart, chest, or the blood pressure. Money and comfort come through the property, through the some land or vehicle business or the government connections, because sun has always aspect on the 10th house from the fourth house. So name and respect grow within the society or the local community. Now you see, if sun is in the fourth house, then this person very much possible that may get name fame within his country or at birthplace, definitely, because this is a birthplace also. Maybe he can get very good name fame in the field of property, real estate, education, something in the vastu, something in the government field, because sun here aspecting in the 10th house. Now maybe they can reach to some big government position, and they can get a government vehicle or government residence also, because this is house of property and vehicles also, and aspecting the 10th house. So in their life they can connect the government, and they have a government connections. They can do the government job or something regarding the government. And the sun is here, so maybe your mother is egoistic, or mother has a very big self respect. She can be hurt very soon. If a son is here, maybe your mother is like kingly personality. Mother is like leader in the house. Mother is like have all qualities of son. Maybe mother in the government job. You never know. So sun in the fourth house, and the purpose of your life, what it can be. 5 places away from sun. If you count that, that is the 8th house. Now the purpose of your life is a moksha very strongly, because 4, 8, 12 are the moksha houses, and the purpose of life now is the 8th house. 8th house is you should work for the moksha. Every work, whatever you do in your life, should be in very hidden manner, secretive manner. I'm not saying that do the wrong things in a hidden manner. Whatever you do, whatever desires you have, whatever in your heart, keep it very secretive, because now 8th house is the purpose of your life. And the Eighth house is also in-laws. So the purpose of your life should be like, you should maintain very good relation with in-laws also. Purpose of your life should be, you should be very good in, managing the shared resources. So whatever eighth house is, that is the purpose of your life. And what I, in the bigger scene, in a bigger picture, if I see, in a one word, I tell you, if you have a sun in the fourth house, and purpose of your life is a regular transformation in the life. Bear the pain and be transformed. Because eighth house is a pain, eighth house is a transformation. The purpose of life is a transformation in your life continuously. Don't resist for the transformation. If something good is coming to the, or some change is coming to the life, happily accept that. Because every pain what you will get is a part of your purpose of life, but the every pain will bring transformation also. Because I have this combination, and I know I have a no transformation in my life at any point of time without pain. Every time some person is coming to my life giving me pain, and I am being more transformed person. And I again thanks to all the people who come to my life and given me a pain. Thank you very much, because you are the people who are always transforming me. Thank you. So this is your purpose of life. Now let's move on to the fifth house. What is the fifth house? What should be your purpose of life? Where your fame is? Now fifth house in Kalpurish Kundli, sun's on house, on sign, Leo sign. But do sun behave here very good? Do sun very good here? Some classical texts don't feel like this. But sun in the fifth house blesses the person with intelligence, blesses the person with creativity, confidence, and a strong sense of individuality. The native wants to shine through knowledge, talent, or creative expression. Romantic relationships can involve ego or dominance, but attraction is strong. Children bring pride and often do well in life. Because now you will ask, where is my name fame? If I have a son in the fifth house, your name fame is anything connected with creativity, media, entertainment, sports, startup. You will definitely shine in these fields. Health issues may relate to digestion, gut health issues, acidity, or a stress from overthinking, because this is a mind. This is a mind. So overthinking can be the part, and you are the person who are always angry. Mild malefic planet, very hot planet like sun is here. So maybe you are very egoistic by mind and very angry always. Money comes through the education, creativity, speculation. I already told you. Advisory roles. This is house of advice, counseling. Name and fame are gained through intellect, teaching, artistic talent, big actors, creators, directors, sports person, big startups. And if sun is here, what I can see, maybe your kids can be very egoistic, or very kids with very much self-respect. Maybe the person with whom you enter with a love relationship, she is very, or he is very influenced person, or very egoistic person. Ego can be the part of your love relationship. Whenever you have a problem in love relationship, the ego is the always the first thing what happened with you. And sun is here, maybe with whom you are in relationship, love relationship, maybe she or he is in the government job, or they are very authoritative, whosoever, girl or boy. If sun is here, maybe your kids can be in the government job in future. And if sun is here, you will always shine in the name and get the name and fame in the field of education. And while if you are a student and you are studying, you will definitely get name and fame in studies. Maybe you perform very well in studies. Rest depends on the sign and the afflictions and the conjunctions and the combustion. Everything rest we need to see how fifth house is behaving and other planets. But the rest, sun here is a good. Now if you want to the purpose of life, this is very much clear to you. 5 places away from here is a ninth house. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5. Now the purpose of your life is a dharma. Purpose of your life is to serve father. Purpose of your life is to serve gurus. Purpose of your life is a higher education abroad. Purpose of your life is to serve mentors. Listen to the mentors. Purpose of your life is to give advice. Go into the advisory business, because fifth house is advisory and ninth house is also advisory and counseling. So that can be purpose of your life. Purpose of your life is to listen to the father, to the guru, to the mentors, their advice. And ninth house is also house of pitras, ancestors. So the purpose of your life is to serve ancestors. And ninth house is also the shastras, religious belief, religion. So the purpose of your life is to, be very religious and believe in your religion, in your dharma. So very beautiful purpose, I think. I wish my son can be here. So this can be my purpose of life. Though my son is in the fourth house, so my purpose of life is little difficult house, which bring pain. But there is no pain. There is just a advice, message, and a counseling. So this is purpose of your life. Thank you very much. I wish you a great period ahead. Let's move on to the sixth house. And people always say, my sun is in the sixth house, my planet is in the sixth house. Need not to worry at all. Now, sun in the sixth house. You see, lots of people will say, oh, sun in the sixth house, there is this problem, that problem. I am saying this is the best combination if you want the growth in your life. But first, in generic, I will like to tell you what the sun will do in the sixth house. See, whenever sun is there in the sixth house, the person develops a fighter's mindset, and ability to overcome all obstacles, enemies, competition. This placement gives success in service oriented field like government jobs. Yes, you can have government jobs. Sun is there in the good dignity. Law, medicine, administration, relationships can suffer due to the critical or the dominating nature. Health issues may involve again the digestion, inflammation, blood pressure, stress. Money comes steadily through hard work and discipline. No hard work, no money. Name and fame grow as someone who solves problems and stands strong in the difficult situations. Now you learn one thing what sun does here. This is a house of enemies. And whenever you will grow, you will have enemies. People will criticize you. As your enemies will grow, you will also grow. That's why I told you this is the best combination. If you have a sun in the sixth house and you daily think, that my enemies are growing, people are criticizing me, let them criticize. Let your number of the enemies grow. The more they will grow, the more they will criticize you, the more you will be the more shining and famous person. More is your growth. The only thing is sun is here, so you always need to take care of the health issues, especially I think heart health also, because sun is a heart. Eyes health also, because sun is a right eye for male and a left eye for female. If sun is here, you are the authoritative person at your job. You may be in the bossy figure in your job. You can join the government job. You will clear the competitions, whatever examination competition you are going, you can clear it. If you are in the medical field, you are a doctor, you can be in the government hospital. You can be the government doctor. If you are into the law field, maybe you are someone who is working for government as a lawyer, advocate generals. And this is a house of health, vitality, and diseases. So generally, the people with sun in the sixth house has a good health. Rest depends on the sign and the afflictions we need to see. These are the people who can get the loans from the government job very easily, government banks. And they are the people who may develop the ego issues with the maternal relatives. With maternal relatives, you have always a problem of ego issues. These are the person who cannot bear a wrong behavior, little wrong behavior at workplace. They have a very high self-respect. With colleagues even, they are very authoritative, egoistic. And the purpose of your life here is very easy. 5 places away from here is the 10th house. This is a house of service. 6th house, 10th house is profession. So purpose of your life is to do the best karma in your life. Karmasthan. The purpose of your life is to be a leader, to be in a government job, to be in administration. to become a good leader, true leader. The purpose of your life is to have a all name and fame in the public places or the public, organizations or in public. You want a strong image, and that is the purpose of your life. So 10th house is also a house of name and fame, and sun in itself is a name and fame. So fifth from sun, you know, in your career, this is your purpose of life, that you always want to be work like a boss as a leader, or you want to be in politics and become a big leader, or you have want to have a name fame in any career you are working. This is purpose of your life. And to serve father also, because in Prashari astrology we say 10th house, from 10th house also we can see the father. So serve the father, serve the bosses. This is purpose of your life. So let's move on to the next house. That's it. That is not very good house for the sun, because the Kalpurish Kundli sun is debilitated here. But in the Kalpurish, I don't know which chart you have, but sun, if in the seventh house, makes person highly visible in public life, highly visible in partnerships. But it can create ego struggles, because sun is a ego, in the marriage and the business relationship. Maybe every time you get some business partnership or a business partner, they are very egoistic person. Maybe in the case of marriage also, your life partner is has a very high self respect, egoistic person. But in the good case, maybe you are getting a life partner who is in the government job. And in the business case also, you can say that no, I have not such a business partners. Maybe you are doing something business related to the government thing or connected with the government. The sun in the seventh house always make native to control in the partnerships, and that is a problem. May attract, or may attract the disputes. Sometimes they also get very authoritative partners, and the marriage can be the always a challenge or a delayed. And the problems in the marriage if ego is not balanced. Health issues may relate to the kidney, the lower back, or the reproductive organs. Many comes through the business partnerships or public dealings also. Name and fame is here, but the public criticism or controversies will also arise, because the dignity of sun is not very good here. This is a house of Venus. So yes, you will get all name fame in the business or the something government business or business connected with government. Or maybe you have such a life partner who has a big name fame. You can get such life partner who is a politician, who is a leader. So you will get the name fame in the business. That is not a problem. But problem is that sun aspecting the lagna, you have also very high ego here. Your ego is also not very small. So that is the problem. If sun is in first house or sun in the seventh house, in both cases, marriage and business partnerships always under scanner. Always there is a problem. And the purpose of your life is 11th house, 5 places away from the 7th house. And the 11th house is to serving the elder siblings, to serving the friends, social network, social circle. And 11th house is also house of wishes. So sometimes your purpose of life is to, you want to fulfill all your wishes. Purpose of your life is to have the best gains, more and more gains in the life. Purpose of your life will be to serve the society. 11th house is also society. You can work for NGOs, cooperative societies. You can work for the masses. That is the 11th house. So that is the purpose of your life in a bigger picture. So sun here, red book says, different text says not very good position, but maybe due to some different placement or the different sign, or maybe has some good conjunctions. But generally I see that sun brings marriage issues, ego issues within the life partners. This is true. I always seen this thing. Now sun in the 8th house, what will bring this sun for you? Before this, small information that the transparent and ethical consultation That means there is no prepayment charges in a consultation. There is no urgent fees, and everything will be the with Sattvic remedies. Sorry if you are coming for a consultation and you think that I will change your life. You have to change your life. I can only advise the particular houses where you have to change what you have to do. There is no magic in astrology. If somebody is saying I will do magic for you, then I have not this magic. I only have the study of astrology and the Sattvic remedies. Thank you very much. Now let's move to the Scorpio. Sun here, Sun, the planet of light, Sun, the which brings life for the people daily morning. It comes to the more intense house, eighth house, Patal Lok. When the Sun is placed in the eighth house, it brings a deep, intense, and private personality. Now this person has a deep rooted ego. This is very private person, intense person. Ego is very intense. The person goes through the major transformation in the life and learn through the sudden changes. Now Sun is a soul. Soul is in the eighth house. Now his soul will go through the major transformation events in the life. Go through the sudden changes, and every time you go through the sudden change, your soul will learn something new. Relationships can feel emotionally intense with the trust issues or the secrecy. Maybe you are the person who has every single secret in your soul and you don't want to tell any person. Health needs attention here. As a chronic issue or the sudden health changes are possible, especially the heart health should be taken care, eyes health should be taken care. Money may come through inheritance, that is not a problem. Insurance sector, health sector, taxation sector, spouse wealth, research based professions. And we need to see that which house Sun is ruling in your chart, because Sun here will sit and aspect the second house of wealth and money also. So government will be also the source of money. Maybe you are a scientist, you are in some government department, research based government department. And name and fame may come to you, but after pain. Name and fame may come to you, but after struggle. Name and fame come in the hidden way, mysterious way. Name and fame come to you when you will be the transformed person. Whenever you have a transformation in your life, when you are ready for the transformation, name and fame will come. Maybe you are very big CA, maybe you are very big manufacturer, maybe you can get very good name fame in the occult, you can get very good name fame in the field of insurance, taxation, or maybe there is a hidden name fame. And now, the purpose of your life. Once again, I am telling you, in case of Sun in the fourth house, I already told. Now Sun, he's there in the eighth house, and if you go the 5 places away, this is the 12th house. The purpose of your life is a higher form of spiritualism. Purpose of your life is going abroad. Purpose of your life is managing losses and expenses. Purpose of your life is you just sit in the isolation. You just sit in the isolation and you want to know yourself. That is the purpose of your life. Purpose of your life here is to involve yourself in the yoga and meditation like things. Purpose of your life is to moksha driven personality you want to become, or you need to become, or you have to become. Because 5 places from here is a 12th house. This is a foreign country. This is a spiritualism. And the purpose of your life should always be like charities also, but in hidden manner. It should not be in open manner. Purpose of your life should be to learn how to manage investments. Because if you'll manage the losses and the expenses, then definitely that management will convert into the investments. If you invest good, your losses and expenses will be less. So this is purpose of your life. 4, 8, 12, houses of moksha. So the purpose of bigger picture, what I already told for all houses also, that is a moksha. Now let's go to the ninth house. This is a good house for the sun, because sun is a father. Sun is a father, and this is a house of a father. So sun is coming here. In this case, maybe I have 2 3 students in the different countries, and they have a son here in the ninth house, and all of three, what I see common in their chart, their father was in government job. So sun here in the ninth house can give a government job to your father. Sun in the ninth house is one of the most auspicious placement. It gives strong ethics, wisdom, faith in higher principles. The person respects tradition, culture, dharma, teachers, mentors, father, guru, spiritual values, and often becomes a guide or a mentor to others also. One who is a good disciple, one who is a good student, can only become the good teacher in the future. If you yourself is not a good student, if you yourself is not good disciple, how you can guide someone in the future? But they people can guide someone in the future. They can be good mentors. And this is a place, I think, where they can get a very good name fame in the field of mentoring, in the field of dharma, in the field of spirituality, in the field of higher learning, higher education. Now, relationships here are guided always by moral expectations. Health is generally protected by a good fortune, and the money comes through luck, higher education, law, teaching, or foreign connections. Name and fame grow naturally due to wisdom, righteousness, respect, conduct in society. The more you will be the dharmic, the more you will be religious, the more name and fame you can earn. The more you respect your father, your mentors, your guru, the more name and fame you will get. And if you see, sun in the ninth house is very auspicious position. Maybe you can become a very good lecturer, professor, and you have a good name fame. Sun in ninth house can give a good health to father also. But sun in the ninth house can give you an egoistic father or ego issues with father. Both things can happen, or one of the both can happen. So whenever you have a sun in the ninth house, this is very important for you to respect the father figures. Some people in consultation or during the classes sometime ask me, when I told them to do the remedies of sun or respect the father, they told, sir, I don't have a father. So this is really painful. But sun is not only father, sun is father figures also. So you can respect the father figures also. So here sun takes you to the all the religious things. Sun can make you learned of the different shastras. You are the person who is reading different shastras. Your religious belief is strong. But you see, if purpose of your life, purpose of your life is to know yourself. Because when we go into the dharma, the spiritual activities, the mentors, guides, they just illuminate us from inside. And whosoever the guru, they always teach you that you first go and know yourself. Now the 5 houses away from the ninth house, where your sun is the first house. First house is you yourself. So the purpose of life is to groom yourself, to know yourself, and to control your emotions, egos, all the negativities, whatever you have, you need to control. And one person will control all the bad things in himself when he or she knows from inside what I am. Then only they can try. Otherwise, how you can change yourself when you don't know where you are wrong. So this is also a beautiful position, because I think this is the first purpose of the life for every person, in spite of their other purposes, to know yourself, to know the inner self. So wish you very good luck. And small information that I am going to start astrology classes very soon, 4th of April. Enrollment already started. If you want to learn astrology in a meaningful manner, in an easy manner, with presentations, live classes, you can join. And if you want to learn personally, then also you are most welcome. Now, the sun in the 10th house. What the sun in 10th house will bring? This is one of the best position of sun. Sun here is a digbali. If you have a sun in the 10th house, you are the person who born somewhere in the 11 a.m. or 12 p.m., something like this. Sun here is very strong in spite of the thing which sign sun is sitting. Sun here has a directional strength. So beautiful position of the sun in the 10th house. Now what sun will do in the 10th house? When the sun is in the 10th house, career, authority, and the public status become the central focus of life. Now your life will revolve around these things only, because sun is a natural atma karaka, and your soul comes in the 10th house. What soul wants? Soul wants authority, public status, name, fame. You want to be a leader, you want to be a boss. That is a focus of your life. This person is highly ambitious, disciplined, and the driven to achieve recognition. Professional life is strong, very strong. Often connected with the government also. Maybe you can be a government employee. I have one of my class fellows, and he called me out of the blue after so many years, I think 10, 15 years, that I seen your video, I seen your number, so I just want to contact you for some reason. And when I talked to him, I was surprised to know that, he's in a government job right now. He has a son in a 10th house. So sun in 10th house connect you with the government. Either you become a leader, political leader, minister, or you can be a government employee. You can be IAS. Administrative jobs are very good for these purposes. They know how to manage. They know how to organize. They are the true leaders. Personal relationships may take a backseat to the career goals. Now for them, most important is career goal. So maybe suffer in the relationship sometime. Suffer at the personal front, because sun here sitting and aspecting the 4th house. Health issues may arise due to overwork or stress, because ambition is so high. So it can affect the heart, again the 4th house, or the blood pressure. Money, name and fame are very much come to you. This is powerful placement, make it one of the best positions for the success. Now for you, the name and fame is in the government, is in the politics, is in the bossy roles, is in the administrative roles. Whatever you do in your career, name and fame is going to come to you. Definitely in some way or another way. Now we need to see the sign of the sun and the other planets' positions and the lagna. But this is sure, small or big, name and fame you will get definitely wherever you will work. And sun here is, if sun is here, maybe you have some ego clashes with bosses, authorities. Sun is here aspecting the 4th house, sometime with mother also. Maybe you have a father in the government job. Maybe you have a mother in the government job, because sun aspecting the 4th house as well. Very much important for you to balance the, professional and personal life, home life. You need to balance. Now, as far as the purpose of life is concerned, purpose of life is 5 places away from sun, that is the 2nd house. So the purpose of life is to serve family. Purpose of life can be to do the family business. Purpose of life can be to earn wealth, maintain wealth. Purpose of life should be to learn how to speak, when to speak, because speech is there. And the purpose of life is to learn this thing, how I can make a family bonding strong, how I can speak to family, how I can maintain the family relationship, minus my ego. So this is what I think you need to learn if you have a sun at this place. 5 places away is the 2nd house. So again, beautiful combination. And rarely I see that people have a sun in the 10th house and they are suffering. If this is the case, then only the thing that they don't know the way what they need to take. Sometimes they have a very good position and they don't know what to do in career and how to approach. Or maybe the other reason, like sun is afflicted, or some conjunction is not good, or some aspects are like sick, something like this, or maybe some sign is like this. But in spite of all things, sun is Digbali here. So wish you best of luck. And the remedy for you is always respect the father, always respect the bosses. I know you are not that person who can say yes sir, but you need to learn that sometimes we need to say yes sir. Wish you best of luck. Now let's move to the another house. This is 11th house, and I learned this thing, and I read in the religious text, astrology books, that this is a one of the favorite positions, placements for sun. This is very auspicious position for sun. If you have a sun in the 11th house, it may bring gains, strong networks, and influence among the group of people and communities. The person has a leadership quality within the social circle and organization. You are the person who is living in some society. You are always the person who is president of society, your society. You are the person who is leader among the friends. Whenever there is discussion between the friend where to go, what to do, they will always wait for you. Let come him. He will decide, and we will follow what he will say. So you are the leader. Friends and the connections help you achieving the goals. You are the people who always listen to the friend. Yes, there can be some ego issues. There can be some self-respect issues within the friend circle. But your friends always help you achieving the goals. Relationships benefit from the social status. Always is there, but the ego issues I which told you within the friends, sometime it can occur. Maybe you have a friend who has also sun in the 11th house. So this sun will clash. Health issues may involve circulation or stress from overambition. Money can come from multiple sources. That's why I told you sun is very good here. Long-term goals are always fulfilled, and the name and fame come through the public support, through the help of support of the friends. Leadership, you are a leader of masses. Now sun here can also give you a government job. Maybe if you are getting gains from the government, then this is the best position from sun, that you can earn money from sun, sometime from the government job or sometime from the business connected with government. Sun here is a fortunate position, and maybe your elder siblings, the house of elder siblings, they are also in the government job. Or maybe sometime you have ego clashes with your elder siblings, or maybe your elder siblings has a very high ego. Or maybe you have a friend circle who your friends have very high ego. Or maybe you have a friend circle, all the people are in the government job or doing something connected with the government. This is a place where you can get the name fame when you work for the masses, when you work in the humanitarian projects, work for the NGOs. You can get name fame within the friend circles. That is not a problem. Always hero among the friend circle. That is not a problem. But whenever you will work on some innovations, technology among the masses, with NGOs, with cooperative societies, you always will have a name and fame. You always have a good gains from father, because sun is also father. Sun is here, and the 5 houses away from sun is 3rd house. I will go for the purpose of life. That is not a problem. Because sun is here and aspecting the 5th house also. So you may develop the ego issues with the kids, with your love life. And maybe you're doing some startup. Maybe your startup is so good and government like this startup, and government can fund you. Maybe your father can fund you. Maybe your elder siblings or friends can fund your startup. And sun here, and the 5 places away from the sun is the 3rd house, which is purpose of your life. The purpose of your life is to learn communication. The purpose of your life is social media. 3rd house. The purpose of your life is to serve neighbors, serve younger siblings. The purpose of your life lies in a sales marketing, to learn the skills of sales and marketing. Maybe your gains connected with that. So third house is a courage and efforts also, and will also. So maybe the purpose of your life is to develop courage, will, and use that will and courage on the right spot, right place, right time. So I wish you best of luck. And now the final position of the sun in the 12th house. Oh, this is wrongly written, I think 12, but this is a 12th house. Don't read it as a 11th house. This is a 12th house. Let me correct this one. In the 12th house. Now I transformed this plate because my purpose of life is transformation. So why I should, hang between these wrong things? I change the plate. Sun in the 12th house. So 12th house is a house of a moksha, spiritualism, higher learning. This is a place of foreign lands, isolation, investments. And when the planet like sun will come here, the person now turns toward inwards and develop a spirituality, a detached behavior, or a private nature. Now the soul is at the isolation. Maybe you are sitting among the 1,000 people, but you always feel the isolated one. There may be a strong connection to the foreign land. These are the people who from very beginning, they want to go, they want to settle in the foreign lands. These person can work in hospitals, spiritual places, or isolated environments are, very dear to them. Relationship can feel distant due to the emotional withdrawal, and health issues may involve, including the sleep issues, immunity issues. Now, Sun is a planet of a health and immunity coming to the house of loss, mental fatigue. Money is spent on charity, spirituality, or foreign matters. But you do the charities, that is not a problem. You do the spirituality, whatever. But sometimes there is a ego issues in this thing. Sometimes you develop a strong issue, I am doing this charity, I am giving this much of money. So this is what you can develop over the period of time if sun is here. So it should be controlled, because spirituality and ego, they can't go side by side. Yes, for some people income can be from the foreign lands, but for some people the losses can be to the government. Maybe you government fine you something for some reason. Now the name and fame, if you are looking for where I will get, in the foreign lands, in the field of spirituality, in the field of charity, in the field of humanitarian work, in the field of yoga, meditation, and you will get a very good name fame here in these fields. So this is a good position for sun, because when sun is here, and if you are a religious person, if you are a spiritual person, if you are a person who is into charities, then what more you want? The only thing, you should control your ego, that I am doing something. This I is a problem. And because from here, sun is aspecting the 6th house, these people easily develop ego issues with colleagues, employees at work. 6th house is a job. Now, if sun is here, maybe you can get a government job abroad, not in your country, abroad. Or maybe you are in such a department, in government department, that your local government send you abroad for the job or for some other reasons. Because sun here is aspecting the 6th house, so you should always take care while you deal with your maternal relatives. You can develop ego there. Again, you can get the loan from the government banks. That is not a problem for you. Now, the purpose of life is 5 places away from here. The purpose of your life is 4th house. You are sitting in the abroad, but still the purpose of life is to listen to your inner soul, listen to your mind, listen to your, what your intuition is saying. Purpose of your life should be to serve the motherland, The purpose of your life, maybe some people, materialistic people, so the purpose of life is to make the more and more properties, vehicles. Purpose of your life should be maintain a domestic peace and atmosphere at your home. Purpose of life is to serve mother, listen to mother, seva to mother. Thank you very much. And this was very small video. And now next time bringing the one more video is pending, the signs, like what sun will do in different signs. One more video pending, what Venus will do in different signs. The Venus video is already on the channel. And if you are going to do a Shivratri puja, the 52 minutes, the strong 52 minutes of Shivratri day, which that 52 minutes are, there is a video on the channel. You can go and watch that strong 52 minutes and what mantra you need to do, what sankalp you need to take. I already told in that video. Thank you very much. And before this, astrology classes starting from the 4th of April, 16 astrology classes plus one practice session. I welcome you all to join this. And if you want to join personal classes, then also there is a condition. You can ask Garimaji. Astro Dialogues, what I want to say that subscribers, please come. I want to talk to you. I wish to talk to you on different matters of astrology, different topics of astrology, or not astrology, then life pattern from which people can learn. This is a way to connect with subscribers. And in the end, transparent and the ethical consultation, no prepayment, only payment after consultation. And no urgent fees. If you are in urgency, I am here to serve. Same price, no problem. And the remedies will be always sattvic. The focus will be on the change, the personality of ourselves, not the planets. Thank you very much. We'll meet you in some next video. Till then, Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman, Jai Mata Di. Om Namah Shivaya. Jai Guru.